So have you tied a sailor knot bracelet and it came out a little too big? I'm going to show you really quick how to shrink one down. So you want to take one of the edges and you want to take the center cord and the end cord and you want to pull them both at the same time. Give yourself a loop. Then you want to take that loop and you want to pull it all the way through the bracelet. Both of them at the same time. As you can see, the bracelet will start to look like it's a little bit mangled. That's okay. It's going to straighten out as you go around. So you just want to keep pulling it around. The center cord, the one in the middle, is actually the one that sets the size of the bracelet. So that's why you need to make sure you pull that one too. Then when you get around 3 times around, because we've gone around this bracelet 3 times, you're gonna see that all of a sudden, this, I think is the 3rd time around, see, this one is all done. So now we're just gonna go around with 1 cord. And this will only work on a bracelet that is not finished. So if you buy one in the store and it's too big, it's not going to work because it'll have been glued or stitched. It needs to be only on a bracelet that is unfinished with the ends loose. So we're still going around with just the 1 cord now. You can see right here it crossed over a little bit. So just make sure everything is even and straight across as you go around. And we're almost done. Oh, here we are. So now we've successfully shrunk the bracelet down, and usually what I'll do is I'll turn the bracelet over and then I'll just try and pull the other side a little bit just to straighten it back out, because it will get a little mangled when you do that. So you want to straighten the other side out too, just to make it so it's all nice and even all the way across. And there you have it, a shrunk down sailor bracelet with nice tension all the way around. And that's how you do it.